The other angle whose trig function values we would like to know and we would like to remember, because it pops up pretty often, is 45 degrees or pi over 4 radians. In a right triangle, if one acute angle is 45 degrees, so is the other one, because we have to have 180 degrees total in our whole triangle. And in that case, that means this is an isosceles triangle. It has two angles the same, so it doesn't matter if we're looking at angle A or angle B, they're the same. There we go, 45 degrees. It's an isosceles triangle. If two angles are the same, then the two legs are also the same length. So I'm going to make my life as easy as possible and call each one length 1. As long as they're the same, doesn't matter what you call them. So I'm going to call them 1. We're going to need to find the third side. These are the legs. So this is 1 squared plus 1 squared is c squared, which means c is the square root of 2. Now I'm going to go through the values for the 6 trig functions for the 45 degree angle. The 30, 60, 90, we had to do the 30 and the 60 separate. These are both 45, so we'll just go just once. We'll do the trick. Here we go. Sine of 45 degrees. I'm going to call it pi over 4, but you can call it 45 degrees if you want to. It's the same thing. So sine of pi over 4. I marked angle A here, so my opposite side is 1. The hypotenuse is root 2, and the adjacent side is also 1. So opposite over hypotenuse. We do tend to see this in rationalized form. So it's 1 over root 2, which rationalizes to root 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 4 is also root 2 over 2 with the other leg. And tangent is opposite over adjacent, 1 over 1. Sounds like 1 to me. Now we have the reciprocals, the cosecant of pi over 4. So yes, the cosecant of pi over 4 is 2 over root 2. And if we rationalize that, we're going to get root 2. The other way to think about it is it's hypotenuse over opposite, which is root 2, which is way more simplified than 2 over root 2. So we're going to call it this. If you tell me 2 over root 2, I'm going to say it's not simplified. It's root 2. Secant of pi over 4, same philosophy all the way through, root 2. And the tangent, 1 over 1. The reciprocal of 1, also 1. So there are my 6 trig function values for the angle 45 degrees or pi over 4.